Hey entrepreneurs, ever dream of running your own online store without handling inventory? That's the power of dropshipping. You sell products online and your supplier ships them directly to the customer. No more packing boxes in your basement. Shopify is the ultimate platform for dropshipping. Why? It's super user-friendly, even for beginners. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with tons of dropshipping apps. That means you can find awesome products to sell with just a few clicks. Dropshipping is booming, and for good reason. Low startup costs. You don't need to buy inventory up front. Work from anywhere. Laptop and Wi-Fi are all you need. Scale quickly, find a hot product, ramp up your marketing, and watch your sales skyrocket. Ready to dive in? Let's go. First things first, sign up for a Shopify account. They offer a free trial so you can test the waters risk-free. Next, pick your niche. Passionate about fitness, sell workout gear, love gadgets. Tech could be your calling. Now, let's build your store. Choose a theme that reflects your brand. Add your logo, product images, and compelling descriptions. Remember, your store is your online storefront. Make it shine. Time to find products. Apps like Oberlo and Spocket are your best friends. They connect you with suppliers worldwide. Browse, select, and import products directly into your store. Easy peasy. Don't forget the essentials. Create pages for About Us, contact, and shipping information. Set up payment gateways and shipping rates. Test everything thoroughly. You're almost there. Need some inspiration? Check out these dropshipping rock stars. Naras Ganim built a multi-million-dollar empire selling problem-solving products. Andreas Koenig and Alexander Pecker hit $500,000 in monthly sales by finding a niche and scaling rapidly. Camille Sitar, another dropshipping legend, made millions by diversifying his business and crushing it with content marketing. These stories prove anyone can win with dropshipping. You just need hustle and the right strategy. Think about Tom Sargi. He went from soldier to successful dropshipper, showing that anyone can make this work. Or A.C. Hampton, who built a $1 million business and created a course to share his secrets. These entrepreneurs are your role models. Learn from them. Remember, success leaves clues. Study what these dropshippers did right. Emulate their strategies. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Section 4, unearthing your niche, finding profitable products. The key to dropshipping success: finding products people actually want. Use tools like dropship.io to uncover trending products. Look for gaps in the market. What problems do people need solutions for? Focus on evergreen products. These are items with consistent demand year-round. Think kitchen gadgets, pet supplies, or health and wellness products. Don't chase fads. Build a business that lasts. Research your target audience. What are their interests? What are they buying? Social media is your goldmine. Check out trending hashtags, popular Facebook groups, and influencer recommendations. Remember, your product is your foundation. Choose wisely and you're already halfway to success. Section 5. Turn your passion into profit. Take action today. You've got the knowledge, you've got the inspiration. Now it's time to take action. Sign up for Shopify, find your winning products, and build your dream store. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Marketing is how you get eyes on your products. Facebook and Instagram ads allow you to target your ideal customer. Influencer marketing can put your products in front of a massive audience. And don't underestimate the power of content marketing. Valuable blog posts, engaging videos, and helpful social media updates can turn followers into loyal customers. Need help? That's where Fiverr comes in. Find top-rated freelancers who can help you build your store. Design stunning graphics, write killer product descriptions, and create powerful marketing campaigns. They're your secret weapon to dropshipping success. The dropshipping world is waiting for you. Take the leap. Start building your empire today. I believe in you.